Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about magnetic charging for iPad. And yes, it actually matters more than you think. So traditionally, charging means plugging and unplugging your USB-C port every single day. And over time, this port wears out. It loosens, and eventually the cable doesn't sit in as firmly as it used to be. So, magnetic charging solves that problem. You get less wear on this USB-C port, it's more convenient, and honestly, it just feels great to snap to charge. So in this video, I will break down the three main magnetic charging options for iPad and help you figure out which one is best for your setup. So first, let's start with the most familiar one, a magnetic USB-C cable. So here it is. So here I have a Hajiburst USB 4 cable, and I have used this cable for a while. It works like your regular USB-C cable, but with a magnetic connector at the end. Let's see here. So this is a regular USB-C cable with a magnetic tip. In terms of power, it can deliver up to 240 watts. You see here, 240 watts, which is more than enough for most iPads. And most importantly, with this magnetic tip, one cable can charge multiple devices. See here, like the DJI drone batteries or my DJI microphones, wireless microphones. But there's a catch. This magnetic connector is not stable enough for data transfer. So if you want to fast and convenient charging, this is perfect. If you care about data stability, this is not the one. Next, let's talk about the second option, a magnetic smart connector charging adapter. This is what it looks like. This is a newly released product. And however, this is not wireless. It's still a wired charging. It just attaches magnetically to the smart connector on the back of your iPad. So if your iPad has those three dots, it works. In terms of charging speed, up to 35 watts, but only on the 2024 M4 iPad Pro, newer models, or new iPad Pro models, up to 18 watts on all previous models. So the biggest benefits, it frees up your USB-C port, which means you can still use your external SSD, connect to a monitor, and still charge your iPad at the same time. The third option is a magnetic charging stand. Let's take a look here. This is honestly the most premium and the most desk setup friendly choice. So you place the iPad on it, snaps into place, and it charges continuously. This fits perfectly into clean desktop setup. So if you plan to use your iPad as a second monitor, or if you want to use ergonomic viewing angles, this is the one. And yes, it's the most expensive option. But if your iPad lives on a desk, it's the best ergonomic solution. So here's my recommendation. If you care about charging speed, go with the magnetic cable. Let's see how fast it is. Show you, you see, 35 watts, right? The fastest charging speed. If you rely on SSDs and monitors, then you have to free this USB-C port, right? Then get the smart connector charging adapter. And if your iPad stays on the desk, the magnetic stand is the best experience. Okay, Thank you for watching. Let me know which charging method you are using right now. See you in the next one.